Hello people, hope you all doing great. Today we are here for an unboxing video. Recently I purchased Insta 360 X4 Adventure bundle from Amazon. We'll discuss about the cost in the later part. This bundle includes a magic stick. So the Adventure bundle includes the magic stick, a micro SD card and an additional battery. Let's unbox and see. Yeah, this is the package. Not so good. I'm not happy with the way they have packed it. I expected some neat way of packing when they said bundle, because motorcycle bundle comes with an elegant way of packing, but this is not that great. Anyhow, let's open this and see. They got this magic stick. Let's open it and see. We got this screw fit to fit the camera here. Let's open it. Great. Nice. Now comes the additional battery. And this is the micro SD card with 256 gig storage capacity. Now let's open the main stuff, that is camera. So MRP here is 65,990 rupees, and these are the features: 72 MP 360 degree capture, 4K 60 FPS single lens mode, lens guard socket, waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters, AI powered editing. Should see what it is. I got it with 1 year warranty as well. So the other features are 8K 30fps plus 5.5K 60fps 360 degree video, shoot first frame later. This is a revolutionary concept, I would say. And invisible selfie stick, active HDR video and flow stable stabilization. Let's open the package and see. Camera package is good actually. Wow, this is the camera. Looks so elegant and nice. This is the main camera lens. These are charger sockets. This is to fix the mounts. It also has this box. Let's open and see. Warranty card, waterproofing, safety guidelines, this is the camera pouch. It's so soft and smooth. Inside this we have this camera case, not bad. And we also have the charger, type C to C charger. This is all in the package. Let's open the camera and see now. Let's switch it on. Okay, this is not bad. It takes less than a minute to start up. We can connect to mobile by installing the Insta 360 degree app. Yeah, we can explore all the features here. It has all the different types of modes: single mode, capture mode, 360 degree mode, HDR mode and multiple other things. And there are multiple settings for date and time and etc. Yeah, this was mostly about it. I'll have to dig deeper into all the different features that this provides, and I'll make a separate video on how the camera will be capturing and what all features it would be covering and all these details. This was all about unboxing, guys. See you guys in another video. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.